Hello everyone, it's Fanny. Welcome back to Creation by Fabi. Today I have another Dollar Tree DIY, quick and easy like always. So let's start it with the materials. I will be using some paint that I already have from previous DIYs that I purchased on Walmart, some wire sign, some foam bar, also the pumpkin bar, and some plungers. I think that's the word. Those. So let's get started. So first I removed the rubber part and then remove the stickers. I didn't show in the video, but I did. Then I cut the ends to the wood using my saw, just like so. And then I use my antique wax and I stain it a little bit. So then with the pumpkin bar, I just pull it apart, cutting out the string that were in the back, and then just pull it, and they came out easily, just like so. Then I use some white paint, acrylic paint in this case, because I didn't have more chalk paint, so I ended up giving like 3 coats and then let it dry. So then with the four I cut a square, or at least the same size of the pumpkin, just to make sure it fit on it. And I didn't really measure it. The only thing I did measure it was the spaces that I'm showing right now. There was 3 inches separate, just to create like a little lines on it and like the illusion that it looked like wood. So I used my scissors and to create something like that. Then I repeat the step and you end up with something like that. I really like that. Then with the antique wax, I just give you a little bit of touch just to give you that distressed look. And then I use a wipe and clean it up. And look at that, beautiful. So then I go back with the pumpkin and I place it on the center, and then I use some hot glue, and after that make sure you use a lot of hot glue, otherwise it will fall apart, just like so. So then I go back with the antique wax just to give it still another little touch, just to give it the weather look, like antique look, rustic look, however you want to call. Just a little bit. And then I grab one of those wire sign from dollar store, which one, that one they say Harvest. And then I just placed it with a lot of hot glue, and then I was trying to figure out how I'm going to place it, so finally I did on the center. And then I noticed that when the painting was dry, the letters are still showing up. So what I did was use this paint that I have, and then I just traced it, and I think it came out really nice. A little bit different the color, but I think it looks nice. Then I go back with the wood. I will glue it. I glue it all together, creating a square with the hot glue. You can use a wood glue, but I did it just only with hot glue. So now I had the frame, and then what I did was just place it on top to the board, and then I was trying to make sure they fit right, but then I realized it was kind of little smaller than my frame, but I made it work. So I first started using hot glue to try to place it on it, and then I realized it didn't work the way I wanted. So as you can see, this is the space on it, so I use a staple gun, but silly me, I didn't change the staples. They were kind of big, so it showed up a little bit, but nothing that you cannot fix with a rub. So then I got rub, and I just place it on top, on the edges of the frame, inside basically, and then voila, see, nothing happened, looks beautiful. We fixed the problem. As you can see, it came out really nice. So that's it for today. I really hope you guys enjoy it. And thank you so much for watching. And if you haven't subscribed already, please hit the red button around there, and also hit the bell, and then you can get all the notifications about my new DIYs and you will not miss anything. Bye bye.